Every child is capable of greatness. Our job is nurture that spark. Primary school is where confidence begins. It's where children discover who they are and what they can become. Confidence is not just built in the classroom, it's just how they play, lead, and support one another every day. We don't just focus on academic, we nurture character, independence, digital readiness. Our curriculum follows KSSL, but we enrich it in STEM activities, project-based learning, reading program, and we emphasize on Bahasa Melayu and English.
Kami memahami bahawa setiap anak mempunyai gaya pembelajaran yang unik. Justeru, kami menerapkan pelbagai strategi pengajaran yang fleksibel dan berkesan. Oleh itu, teknik ini sangat sesuai mengikut tahap penguasaan setiap pelajar. Anak saya kurang fasih untuk berbahasa Melayu. Adakah dia mampu untuk bersekolah di sekolah menengah ini? Jawapannya sudah tentu boleh, kerana di Sekolah Menengah Wesley Bandar Seri Coalfields, kami telah membuktikan melalui pengalaman dan kejayaan para pelajar kami.
转校的学生呢，他们会面对到的就是可能在课程上面的一些的压力。
I can see that she was really struggle. She's trying her very best to cope with all her subjects.
我们学校它的华语是从幼稚园到中学，我们这个华语的课程也是一个规定一定要上的。从小学部的话呢，我们有提供就是 Chinese Math Easy， 还有一个叫做 Easy Set to Chinese。那老师就会用生活化的方式去教，在课程上面呢是活跃性的，让他们说在读、在写、在听跟讲的方面有进步。这种学生从别的学校转过来之后，反而他对华语更加有信心，更想去学更多。
HSK is a simpler form of Chinese which students who are not really good in Chinese can pick up. It's easier to understand and the teacher explains really clearly and gives us notes.
My previous Chinese school, textbook, book. Here they actually give you activities to actively learn Chinese.
家长别担心，学生来到这边，他可以快乐的学习，并可以掌握3种语言。We care about the whole child, not just their grades.